In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the login URL for your WordPress blog for better WordPress security. Changing the default login URL is an effective way to stop the majority of bots who try to gain access to your website. The normal way to log into WordPress is by calling yourdomain.com/wp-login.php or /wp-admin, which redirects to wp-login.php. If you were to look at your server's access logs, you'll likely see a huge number of entries involving the file wp-login.php. This is because there are bots out there who continuously call this file in the hopes of guessing the password and gaining entry to your website. If you have a plugin like Malcare, for example, installed, the number of times that someone can try to log in are limited because Malcare will block access after a few failed attempts. Each time wp-login.php is called, it puts a strain on your web server. Even though you might be protected with a plugin, it will relieve pressure considerably if you can return a 404 page instead. Fortunately, it's super easy to change the URL because there is a plugin you can install, a free plugin, which is effective and lightweight, and it's super easy to set up, and there's no technical knowledge required to do it. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's get on and install the WPS Hide Login plugin. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Plugins, Add New, and then I'm going to search for WPS Hide Login. And the first plugin that comes up is the plugin we want, WPS Hide Login. So let's install now and then activate. Now we can change the settings for the plugin by going to Settings and then WPS Hide Login. At the bottom we've got a section called WPS Hide Login, and this is where we can set the login URL that we're now going to use to log into WordPress. Now it's set by default to login, which we could use, that's fine to use, or you could change it to something that's more difficult to guess, but I'm just going to leave it at login. And underneath we've got the redirection URL, and this is the page that the user will get sent to if they try to log using the standard URL, which would be wp-login.php or wp-admin. Now these pages don't need to physically exist on WordPress. It's a virtual URL instead. So there's nothing more that you need to do to set up. So let's give this a quick test. I'm over in an incognito window looking at my blog, and I'm just going to go to /wp-admin as if I was going to log in to my website. And yes, it's taken me to the 404 page. Let's just try wp-login.php. And again, it's taking me there. But if I actually want to log in, I'm going to type login, and there you've got the login page for this website. I hope you found this video useful. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.